Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I will show you how you can use 7.1 surround sound, that is the software for Razer headphones. Now if you have these headphones, any Razer headphones with you, chances are that you can use that Razer headphone with your Microsoft Windows and use the inbuilt application called 7.1 surround sound. Now, I bought these headphones back in 2022 and didn't know that I can use this 7.1 surround sound feature with these headphones on my Windows PC. So when I started to search for it on the internet, I found out that there is a way that you can use this. Now the software is actually a paid version, but if you have this headphones with you, chances are that it will have an activation code on your headphones. First thing you have to do that you have to check the box of your headphones. If you have the headphone box with you, take that box out and see the activation code over there. Second thing, if you do not have the activation code with you, you can get the activation code by registering your Razer product on the Razer website. So in this video, I will show you how you can register your product on the Razer website. Let's get started. First of all, you have to go to Razer device registration. You have to go to product registration here. Now you have to log in with your credentials. As you can see that I already have the login with me. Now keep in mind that if you do not have an account, you have to create an account first. I have already created the account. Now I am logging in. Now you can see that Razer Kyra for PlayStation. Now I have recently registered this device with my on the Razer website. So to register a product, you have to click over here. Now one thing you have to do is that you have to write the serial number, unique ID. Once you write the serial number, unique ID, the product number will automatically get generated. And this serial number of your Razer product, if you do not have the box of the Razer headphones, do not panic. This product ID is written in the inside of your Razer headphones. Now mine is written over here. So if you take this headphone out and look at the inside, you can see these two IDs and all that. After that, you have to write the date of purchase. When did you purchase the product? Now keep in mind that this should be the exact date of the purchase that you have purchased this product on. I didn't actually separately buy this thing, but what I did was I actually got it with a bundle on the PlayStation 5. So therefore, what I did was I took a screenshot of my receipt that I had, and I converted that into PDF and I uploaded this thing over here. After doing that, you have to click on next and it will verify something and it will submit it. When you submit this thing, you will get the activation code on your email address. Keep in mind that you should write the email address which you are using. For example, as you can see that I have recently got the email from Razer that I have got the activation code for my Razer surround. So as you can see, this is the activation code. So I had to blur the activation code because I cannot give you because it's only unique to me. So this is how you can get the activation code for your Razer product and use the 7.1 surround sound application, which is right over here. If I double click over here, it's going to open the surround sound application. Here you can see. Now I haven't connected these headphones to my computer since I'm recording this video. So if you connect this to your computer, you can select from here the Razer headphones and you can even turn this on or turn this off. So what this will do is basically it will give you a spatial audio on your Razer headphones. It is pretty nice feature to have, to be honest, because I have used this thing and I have seen considerable differences on the audio quality, which is pretty nice thing to have. So this is how you can actually get the software for you and use it. So that's pretty much it, and hope you like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Peace out.